Have you heard? The Vault27 gift card is out. Yes. And it's going to revolutionize Vault27 for sending crypto as gifts or just by sending somebody crypto. Plain and simple, no fees. Let's get right into it and show you how easy it is. So all that you have to do when somebody sends you a gift card, it is simply a matter of redeeming it. So what you will do is you will log into your Vault27. You'll go across at the tabs at the top and you'll go to gift cards. And here's a big redeem block. All you do is you copy the code and you paste it in here and you go redeem. Then there's another redeem button. You click that redeem and you'll see a green tick come up here. Gift card redeemed successfully. As easy as that. To send one, it is exactly the same process, but just a little bit different. You click on themed cards, and then you click the theme that you want to send. So in other words, either a Dreams gift card or Vault27. In this case, we're doing a Vault27 gift card. You click on the gift card, you select the cryptocurrency that you're going to send in. You click here where it's your spot wallet and you add the amount. So in other words, I'm going to send $1. You can send as little as $1. You can send $1. It's clicked. Don't touch this. Don't lock it. And you simply click buy. And once you've bought, it is there. You go to the front card, which is always the card at the top on your left-hand side. You click on view details. You click on C code. Then you have to put your password in. And that is your Vault27 password. And once you've put that in, you click on submit. It will open up that block with that password. All you simply do is you copy that code and you post it in WhatsApp or Telegram if you want to send it to somebody. Alternatively, if you want to, you can send crypto gift card. And if you click on here, it'll go via email or phone, but it is much easier just to send it on WhatsApp, goes straight through quickly. Everybody uses it. So, guys and girls, that is as easy as peasy to send crypto via Vault27. So all you need to do is you have to be a subscriber to Vault27 and you can send and receive gift cards. Fox Builder out. See you next time.